You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, a confusing spelling, but the pronunciation is pretty straightforward once you know a real or imagined cause for complaint. So when you complain, right, with unfair treatment. Grievance, that's both British and American English pronunciations. Grievance, stress on the first gri syllable. Grievance, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.